Hey, I mean, hey, it's March 16th. It's 38 degrees out and raining. Let's go take some pictures. Do you mind if I take a picture of your hand while you're smoking? I promise I won't show your face.
Okay.
I'm a black and white photographer. I just want to try something different.
Okay.
You sure you don't mind?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, cool. Go ahead. Just act like I'm not here. I'm just gonna take a picture of your hand. I promise. And I'll show you at the end just to make sure you're not. You know what I mean? A lot of people get upset. I'm a photographer. I like people, but I know it's weird. I get it. Thank you. Like I said, just ignore me. Don't act like I'm not here.
I've never happened that.
I'll show you my work after this so you kind of understand what I'm what I'm talking about or what I'm going through here. All right, here we go. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna be posting those up on Instagram here shortly. And I'll also be doing another video, so stay tuned. And that video will be me editing some of those shots. Have a good one. Stay safe. Keep shooting.